Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the third chapter of the book First Flight, and that is two stories about flight. And the name of the chapter is His First Flight. The name of the book is First Flight, and the story that we are going to do is His First Flight. Here today we are going to do the summary of the story His First Flight. The story is about a young seagull who was afraid of flying. Young Seagull was full of pessimism. His parents and family members encouraged him for his first flight, but he doesn't have courage to fly. He was left alone by his family members for 24 hours and he ate nothing. He cried with hunger. After all, his mother took final decision to put before him a bait. It worked. He died for the scrape of fish. Mother was high up in the sky and he was in the open air, falling down and down. At first, he felt afraid. He found himself soaring but soon he found himself soaring into the sky. He was no longer afraid. His mother had tactfully taught him how to fly. The seagull saw the green sea before him. The whole of his family had already landed on it. He tried to follow them. He was weak and tired. The flight had exhausted him. He felt his feet sink in the sea. His belly touched the green sea and he was floating on it. He had made his first safe flight. Now here we see that this story is about a seagull. And birds are meant to fly. But this bird was afraid to fly and did not. Its brothers and sisters left the ledge and they all flew about here and there, diving into the sea. But this particular seagull was afraid. But his mother helped him very tactfully to learn how to fly. And once he learns to fly, once he overcomes his fear, he finds that it is a great pleasure and he doesn't have to depend on anyone for his food or for anything else. So this story, this first flight, the name itself, the first flight, is very significant because whenever the first step or the first flight for any endeavor is important. Once we start, anything that is well begun ends well too. Now the significance about the bird's first flight is that fears are natural before the start of any task, but they are usually self-created and baseless. So the fear that we have before any task, it's natural. Everyone has this fear. So did the seagull. But sometimes they are self-created and they are baseless. They have we don't have confidence or we have never done it before. So it gives us a sense of nervousness. We find that the reality is very different. The bird was not ready to fly, but because of self-created fear. Now we come to the theme of the story. The story, His First Flight, brings home the point that fear is the most negative feeling that blocks our progress. Yes, fear is that negative feeling which blocks our progress. One can conquer it with courage and sincere efforts. It is important to take the first important step, which is not always easy. So the theme of the story, which tells us that the first step is always important. Once you have taken the first step, you know how to do it, and then after that you are no longer scared or frightened. The story relates the young seagull's maiden flight after he is stuck. We are doing the title now. The story relates the young seagull's maiden flight after he is stuck up in his high nest as a result of his fear of flying. He wants to fly and go down to catch and eat fish like the other members of his family, but he finds no courage to take the first flight. While trying to get the fish his mother was offering, he falls down. His mother had come with a piece of fish and she was very close to him, but not so close that he could take it from her beak. But he was so hungry that he just pounced at the bird that mother held in her beak, and as a result he started falling down from the ledge. And when he fell down, automatically his wings spread, and once his wings spread, he started flapping them up and down, and soon he found himself flying and um, has courage is not, we remember that true courage is not absence of fear, but to overcome fear. So, what is true courage? That it is not the feeling of fear. Fear is very normal, it's very natural, but we have to learn to overcome this fear. Thank you very much. This is for today.